that the culture of Indonesia has been shaped by long interaction between original indigenous cultures and multiplied foreign influences. Indonesia is centrally located along exit trading routes between Far East, South Asia, and Middle East, resulting in many cultural practices being strongly influenced by many religion influence, including like Hinduism, Buddhism, Confucianism, Islam, and Christianity. Despite the influence of foreign cultures, some remote Indonesian regions still preserve uniquely indigenous culture, just like, for example, Mentawai, Asmat, Dani, Dayak, Toraja, and many others are still practicing their ethics. Traditional Indonesian culture, or as we know in another word we call as cultural heritage, is our precious thing from past that should be preserved by Indonesian citizens. It also helps us to know our history and our culture. Indonesia is well known as rich culture not only for the natural resources but only its culture. Indonesia rich in culture from many regions like Java, like Kalimantan, Sumatra, and so on. These heritages, including their own local languages, their arts, their song, their traditional dance, and so on. Just like, for example, we have Reo Ponorogo or batik from Java, and we have pendant dance from Bali. This small example is show that Indonesia has multifarious cultures. In case today's youth don't know about cultures now, and there are only some people or some communities which is still learning about Indonesian culture, because Indonesian young generation think that only an ancient thing that still learning about heritage culture of Indonesia, and they think like it's like ancient thing, you're so old, you're learning about Indonesian culture. And maybe some of us also don't know what kind of culture that Indonesia has. Culture shouldn't be interpreted merely as a return to the custom of the past, because some of us are living example of what our cultures and traditions did for us when we were young. They help us develop and mold our characteristics and our attitudes. I surely know that some of us already heard about news and info about our cultures countries has become claimed by another countries, right? So, for example, for something there as like batik, reok ponorogo, pendek dance from Bali, and rasa sayang song from our cultures. So this happens because of us, because of our mistake not taking care of our cultures. So and we didn't pattern our cultures yet. So to prevent this not happen anymore in the future, we have to make a movement, like we have to taking care, we have to protect, we have to keep and introduce our cultures. But the most important one, we have to feel proud and love being Indonesian people. Cultural heritage is actually our nation identity. So, in order to this reason, we have to preserve our culture start from now. We can try it with a simple way, like we can have a cultural performance or cultural competition for kids or for teenagers, and we can have it as interest as possible, because in this era of globalization,